Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed camera review of Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E smartphone. So Huawei P20 Lite comes with dual rear camera setup. You can select the resolution of 16 megapixel, and on the front side we also got a 16 megapixel front facing camera. So first of all, let's have a look on the camera features and UI. So if you go to the camera UI, this is a very neat and easy UI. At the bottom, what we got: tiny gallery icon, shutter icon, and the button to switch to video mode. Then there is a button provided to switch to front facing camera. Then there is living images, that's called moving picture on Huawei smartphone. What exactly it does: when you capture an image, it will capture a few seconds of video as well to give you an idea that what exactly was happening when you captured that image. Then there is portrait mode that comes with beautification and the bokeh effect as well. So from the bottom, either you can enable the bokeh effect and you can select the beautification level from 0 to 10. It's totally up to you. And then there is wide aperture mode. This is another feature that lets you create depth effect on the image. If you do not exactly know what it is, it's kind of like the bokeh effect. And then there is the option to turn on or off the flash. And if you go to the video mode, you will get the beautification as well, the option to switch to front facing camera. Once you will enable the beautification, you can select from 1 to 10 level of beauty. There is flash option provided here as well. So this is the camera UI. If you swipe from right to left, you will get the settings option. So you can see that you can select the resolution. Same will go with the video mode. If you select the videos, at that time you will be able to select the video resolution. One thing you need to keep in mind: if the beautification is enabled, then you can record videos only in 720p, and this option will be disabled, as you have seen just few seconds before. Let me show you once again. The resolution option is not working. So this is one of the drawbacks, that if you are using the beautification in the video, you are bound to record videos only at 720p. And then some options are there. You can mute the shutter sound, you can enable the object tracking, you can just touch on the object that you would like to be tracked for the focus. So, and then you can select the function of the volume button, whether you would like to go with shutter, zoom, or focus. If you are using a selfie stick, then shutter option is what you usually use for the volume button function. And then there is ultra snapshot. What exactly it does: that if the phone is locked and if you press the volume down key twice, then the screen will be on, camera application will be launched, and a picture will be captured quickly. And if you go to the settings of photo mode, so here you will find some options like you can activate the assistive grid, there is timer provided as well, there is audio control. If you turn it on, you can just say cheese to take photo, or you can increase your voice to reach a particular decibel level, and then an image will be captured. So it's totally up to you. And then there is the option for touch to capture. If you just touch on the screen, an image will be captured. Captures a smile. Then the next option is capture a smile. Whenever it will detect the people in the frame are smiling, an image will be captured. Once again, object tracking, touch and hold shutter icon. What exactly it will do: either it will lock the focal length, or it will start the burst shoot mode. What exactly it does: if you press and hold, it will keep taking images continuously. And the same two options that we got. So this is what we got in the settings. If you swipe from left to right, here you will find all of the camera modes. So you can see that it comes with photo, pro photo, video, pro video. There is a pro mode provided for videos as well. There is AR lens where you can have some funny things. So let me give you an idea. If you go to the pro photo, you will find all of these pro options where you can change the shutter speed, you can change the ISO, or you can manually change the focus on the object. So lots of options are provided. Same goes with the pro video as well. You will get some settings to control the exposure, white balance manually. And then what we got is AR lens, for example. What exactly it does: if you tap on this AR, here you will find all of these AR stickers available. You can select any of them and have some fun. Then the next one is 3D panorama. You capture a 3D panoramic image of an object, so you will have to use this feature, and then you will have to put the object in the center and move camera from left to right, and a 3D panoramic image will be captured. This is how you will capture a 3D panoramic image of an object on Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E. Then the next option is HDR. After that there is night shot. If you go to the night shot, here you will get the option to manually change the shutter speed and the ISO to capture a perfect image, but you will have to use a tripod for this. And then what we got is panorama. It captures images only in the horizontal mode, not in the vertical. All of these are pretty regular features that you will find in any smartphone. And then there is light painting. This is very interesting feature of Huawei P20 Lite. So it comes with 4 features: tail light trails, light gravity, silky water, and star track. So each of them are designed to perform a particular task and serve a particular purpose. Light gravity can create an interesting image using the trail of light. Tail light trails creates a very nice image by capturing the trail of lights of the moving cars, tail lamp, and of headlights. And then there is silky water that creates a very nice effect of falling water. And then there is a star track. So these are the features that let you capture pro level images without having any knowledge of in-depth camera setting for how to capture all of these images. You can just select these modes, use a tripod, and you will be good to go. And then there is time lapse. It's pretty basic. Once again, slow motion. There is filter provided here as well. Lots of filters. You can select any of them. And the good thing is that you can even select the level of intensity of all of these filters. So this is also very nice feature. And then there is watermark. If you select it, you will get lots of options in this. So if you just tap on this arrow icon, so you can see there is a watermark. If you tap on this, you will get lots of options in different categories. So what we got here is time, location, weather, mood, food, sport. So you can select all of these different watermarks on your Huawei P20 Lite or Nova 3E images. So this is very nice feature. And then there is document scan. What exactly it does, it captures an image of the document perfectly, and it is designed to serve this purpose especially. So this is also very nice if you capture lots of images of the documents. And then there is more. If you tap on this, here you will find additional camera modes that are available to download. For example, good food mode is available. I have already installed watermark and document scan. So these are the options and features that we got here on our Huawei P20 Lite. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.